know a lot of workers are paying attention right here in the Windy City. Michael Marzillo, a representative with the United Auto Workers for Ford Motor Company here in Chicago, is with us in studio. So glad you could be back with us.
Good to be back.
We were talking while Emily was in her report, and this has never happened in your lifetime, this
Not
size
in
of
mine.
strike.
No, I've been at Ford Motor Company for over 20 years. So, I mean, in the last 50 years, we've had a strike.
And this is a gigantic strike.
This is a huge one.
Yeah.
It certainly is.
This would affect, you will find out if Chicago employees with the UAW are going to join with their brothers and sisters up in Michigan.
Yeah.
At around 9 o'clock this morning.
At 9 o'clock this morning. We were called in last Thursday because we thought we were going to be up first to be on a target strike, and we weren't. So we were all called in case we were, like we will be this morning. If we are chosen to go on strike, our facility, then we will make sure that all the members, the employees, get out there, the hourly employees get out safely.
And you guys will go out and then immediately start picketing, or
Yes.
do you just go home?
No, we will go to the hall, we will get our duties, and then we will start picketing. We will start hitting all the entrances and everything.
Now, I was also asking you because obviously you're not going to be making the kind of pay you do when
No.
you're inside these assembly plants. You'll be making what's called strike pay.
We get strike pay.
Okay.
We will get strike pay and basic insurance,
Okay.
basic medical.
So that if anything does happen to you or your family while you're striking, there is some level of protection.
Correct.
But certainly a big decrease in pay.
Oh, yeah.
Significant. It hurts. But this is worth it to so many workers who want to see better benefits. What would you tell people at home about what union members are thinking right now? Why is it so crucial that they get out on those picket lines?
You know, the big talk is labor cost, right? So labor cost only ties up 4 to 5% per vehicle. So it's very minute.
Yeah.
You know, we talked in the past, the government helped out the auto industry back in December of '08, where, you know, 2 out of the 3 Detroit automakers were going broke.
Yeah.
So the government helped them out. We helped out at the same time with concessions. So what we gave up, all we're asking is for what we want back. You know, and then here, COVID hits, you know, and was price gouging on cars because we had no chips. So it was a bidding war on vehicles. Everybody was making money except for us. Even the CEOs who we have now, Mary Barf and Jim Farley, are making over $20 million a year. When the CEOs for our competitors, you know, at Toyota and Nissan, make $1 million a year. And you're talking about costs? I mean, come on, you know.
So the workers really want a share of the pie. In terms of how this strike, if indeed Chicago joins with the brothers and sisters in Michigan in picketing, what would that do to other industries? I mean, there are a lot of restaurants who depend on workers on their lunch breaks, and there are other inders, service industries.
Well, let's talk
connected.
about that.
Yeah.
You know, you have the Teamsters, they would transport our vehicles, the railway, even the small mom and pop corner restaurant or bar, right? The small tool and die shop, you know, that counts on a little work from the auto industry. Oh, it affects.
Yeah.
They're talking, what, $5 billion for the first 10 days, and we're already on our 8th day.
Exactly. And then how soon would we feel it as customers of these particular auto brands?
Well, there won't be any cars. We're not, you know, we won't have any new cars at the dealerships. The dealerships are going to get hard, probably within the next month or so. Wow. If this continues.
If this continues. It certainly is a new day and a historic strike.
Yeah.
The first of its kind in 50 years, a whole lifetime. Michael Marzillo, thank you so much. And
thank you.
We're going to be watching and hopefully hearing what happens here in the next few hours.
Yeah, in the next couple hours, we'll find out.
All right. I know you're going to the office.
I'm going straight to the plant right now.
All right. Well, we'll see you or hear from you very soon, I think.
Okay.
All right.
Pleasure.
Thank you, Michael. A pleasure. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.